Alright, how's it going? My name is Dr. Shaakir Salam, and for those of you who aren't familiar, that is a Geordie term for hello, how's it going? It's a pretty simple phrase, but one which I can't use in my workplace or academia nowadays because a lot of people do not understand it. Our accents and the way that we speak is very unique, and that is the same for our names, our religion, and our culture. However, these certain things are specific inequalities which can dampen down and be hidden within academia. So, have you ever found that in academia that the things that are different should actually be celebrated and questioned why are we dampening these things down? I'm a Muslim man, yet there is another part of myself that I tend to downplay. And due to the negative connotations of this religion, I find myself almost embarrassed and ashamed at times. In my career, it is compounded with a lot of microaggressions and the intersectionality issues with race and culture, which includes that I cannot see any supervisors from my background or my religion, and the few that I do know have been treated unfairly. And it begs me the question, do I want to stay in a sector like this? My question to the funding bodies, the universities and the institutions are, how are you going to train your supervisors to understand the inequalities that ethnic minority groups face? Race is regularly compounded with class, mental health issues, and difficulties in financial status. Yet no supervisor seems to acknowledge this, and the support is wanting. I welcome your thoughts on some of the issues I have raised, either publicly through our comments on our website and social media channels, or anonymously through our survey. Please help us bring the lost voices out of the dark.